And to end this news bulletin, the International White Ribbon Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, the 25th of November, will be commemorated next week as 3 sectors of government work in partnership to support the World Initiative. Niue Police, who have for years has taken the driving seat of the campaign to eliminate violence on the island, has partnered with Department of Health and Department of Community Affairs. Residents on the island are called on to march and support the elimination of violence against women. The event is confirmed to start at the marketplace to Makini Hall next Thursday, starting at 9 a.m. We'll bring you more on this story in next week's news bulletin. Hana hado dola do wala tala tutupu, ke lata ia mea whiawhinei, no na wha mai mawhala. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.